Hello everybody, sorry for sounding a little off today because I caught a bad cold. I have a very bad cough, but I cannot wait because I just received this package from Christopher Ward. So a lot of you guys typically will ask me like how much tax do I need to pay and all that. I will share that with you later, but let's open up the box and see what I got for myself. So yep, this is packing. So, many of you may have known that I've got myself a Sealander 63 GMT 39mm version a couple of years back, and I posted a couple of videos, and a lot of times I have people commenting, maybe not commenting, complaining that, oh, it's too big for you, you should get the 36. But they did not know that that video was published like a few years back before even Christopher Ward introduced the 36mm version. But the way they complain is like I was stupid to choose the 39 over the 36. And yeah, I'm not sure who's more stupid. But anyhow, I've flipped the 39mm version, and then I saw a sales, and then I got this 36. So let's peel off some of the stickers, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna resize the bracelet, but I'm just gonna throw it on the wrist to show how it fits my small wrist. Okay, so before we jump into the watch, they still provide the polishing cloth, and on top of that, I'm not sure why they provided stickers. So a lot of micro brands, they provide some stickers, but I'm not sure why Christopher Ward is doing that. But yeah, I'm not against it, right? At least more the better. So the warranty card is here. This is the manual. They've shrunk down the manual, and let me see, what is this? I'm not sure why is this the not so painful bits. Oh, it's the invoice with my name and address on it, so I'm not gonna show it. Alrighty, so this is the watch in closer look. Yes, I opted for this, they call it the Consort Bracelet rather than the Brader Bracelet. Well, it's not really my top choice, but you see, because I purchased this from so-called their nearly new clearance sales, so I managed to secure a good deal, but they only have the Consort Bracelet. This is so-called their nearly new version, and I think it's a good condition. I'm not gonna share with you the whole story of blah 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 and how it's nearly new and all that, but yeah, I managed to, I think, got a good deal out of it. So let's unscrew the crown and just try to wind. Well, the winding is still buttery smooth, as if I recall correctly from the larger version. I think this watch is powered by the Sealander SW 330-10, right? Alright, so I managed to size up the watch to fit my 6-inch or 15.2 centimeters wrist, and I think it's okay, right? It looks rather okay. One thing I need to complain is that I think they may have put too much Loctite on the screws. Yeah, I fouled up one or two of the screws that are on the bracelet. Yeah, I tried to use IPA to soften it up. I tried to use a hairdryer to kind of like expand the metal and break. Yeah, but it's still very hard. So, yep, Christopher Ward, please don't use too much Loctite or thread locker here. So yeah, on the part that I mentioned, if you, a lot of you guys are asking me about the the tax I need to pay if I were to import this to Malaysia, and let me try to show you how much. The fact that Christopher Ward actually broke their watch and bracelet into two different units, meaning that yeah, the watch itself, it's about 4,000 plus Malaysian ringgit. The bracelet is about 1,000 plus Malaysian ringgit. And from there, they included the, yeah, it's supposed to be 990 pounds. And then they include the freight, shipping, and insurance, right? So the total value, right, this is the watch and bracelet, this is the freight, this is the insurance, and even though I'm not paying this much of amount, but the watch is worth this much of an amount. And as well as with that, I was taxed 300 and 17 ringgit 30 cents, right? This is still excluding the clearance fee that DHL charged me, right? So DHL charged another 50 ringgit, and from that 50 ringgit you have to add the 8% service tax, right? So yeah, it's about 54 ringgit added to this. Yeah, it's close about, yeah, quite expensive, right? So again, yes, the way they calculate the import fee is not based on the amount you paid, it's based on the perceived value of the item. All right, so if you're gonna import something, just yeah, take note of that.